Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So a few days ago, I posted on my community tab that Michael's craft store was having a sale on their canvases. They were 70% off, so I picked up several. In today's video, I'll show you what I did with one of those canvases that I purchased. So if you're interested in seeing how I made this Pier 1 inspired mosaic wall art, then just keep watching. Here are the supplies that I used for this project. I'll leave a complete list of everything that I used down in the description box. So the first thing I did was give my canvas 2 coats of gold metallic paint. Once my canvas was completely dry, I used a generous amount of tacky glue to begin attaching my 1/2-inch craft mirrors. When I began, I didn't have a specific design in mind. I simply sat down at my table and began adding the mirrors free-handed. As you can see, I added my tacky glue and my craft mirrors in small sections. I also added small amounts of water to my brush to re-wet my glue as needed. I used an online order pickup in store coupon to get all of my mirrors 40% off. So I paid a little over $1 for each pack of these mirrors. I could only find about 10 packs of the smallest mirrors that Michael's carries. So I also added these mirrors. They also say that they are 1/2-inch mirrors, but they are slightly bigger than the original mirrors that I started with. These also came from Michael's. Since I was working with 2 different size mirrors, I used most of the smaller mirrors in the center of my mosaic wall art and the larger mirrors on each end. And when I was done placing about 20 packs of those small craft mirrors down onto my canvas, I had something that looked like this. Here, I've mixed tacky glue, extra fine glitter, and a small amount of water together, and I'm adding that mixture to the areas that aren't covered with mirrors. Once that glue mixture dries, those areas of my canvas will sparkle. Here's what my panel looked like once the glue had dried. At this point, I thought the piece was really pretty, but I did want to add just a bit more detail. I remembered that I had these mirror mosaic stickers that I picked up from the Dollar Tree several months back, so I decided to add some of these mirrors to my wall art as well. I only added a pack and a half of those mosaic stickers to my design, but they made a major difference. To remove the excess tacky glue, I'm simply using rubbing alcohol. Once my mirrors were clean, I then buffed them with a dry paper towel. My mosaic wall panel was then ready to hang, but I decided to kick it up a notch, so I visited my local Lowe's for some wood. For a little over $2, I was able to pick up one of these 8-foot whitewood boards. I also was able to get the associate there to cut it into 4 pieces for me. I then used these corner braces that I also picked up from Lowe's to attach all 4 of my wood pieces together to make the frame for my wall panel. I then lightly sanded my frame, and then I gave it 3 coats of silver spray paint. I wasn't a huge fan of the silver frame, so I decided to paint the frame gold instead. Once my frame was completely dry, I was able to place my panel right on top of my corner braces. I want to be able to display my panel with or without the frame, so I won't be attaching it, but the snug fit of the frame keeps the panel in place. Of course, my panel is not as detailed as the Pier1 mosaic panel that I purchased. However, my loosely inspired version of this Pier1 panel is just as beautiful. Do you prefer the panel with or without the frame? Let me know down in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Also, be sure to subscribe to my second channel, Dazzling Designs by Denise, Up Close and Personal. I'll leave a link to my new vlog channel below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, I upload new videos on this channel as well as my vlog channel every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.